My beloveds, greetings, greetings and good day. I am with you now, your brother, your friend, Saint Germain. I come to remind you that you are living in a paradigm, a matrix, and beliefs have been imprinted on your DNA. Every time you make the smallest shift of a belief or a diminishing thought pattern, you are changing the matrix for the better. But these matrices have been in place for centuries, keeping you in bondage, keeping you in lack and limitation, keeping you in a place of diminishing your power. But the times are changing, and you can accelerate this process of deconstructing the matrix, lessening its grip on humanity by making the smallest of changes, by being aware and conscious when a belief or a thought pattern arises that is not supporting, that is not giving you a leg up, that is not bringing forth empowerment. Every time you have a thought or feeling or belief that arises, I wish for you to take a different perspective and examine it and be a witness to it and say, why are you present? That is not the truth. Confront this feeling. Confront this belief. And realize that it does not belong to you. It's a program like is running in your computer. And an upgrade is necessary. So by daily and hourly making a small shift and realizing that that thought or belief can be changed by you now. Visualize the thought and the belief, and then come up with an alternate one that supports you, one that raises your frequency, makes you feel good and supported. It may take some practice, but I can assure you that the smallest of changes you make will have a tremendous impact for yourself and for the collective consciousness. That's how powerful you are. Each of you has this power, and the time is now to claim your power, to make these changes. For instance, if you are feeling any type or sort of lack or limitation, not just financially, but any limitation in your abilities, create what you desire. Because everything in the universe is a frequency. And once you realize that everything is energy, and you possess the ability to alter energy at will and to transmute and transfigure and transform it with the violet flame and your sheer will and power, your intention and desire, it will be transmuted. It will be transformed. And you will be amazed. And you will get the hang of this and find great joy and pleasure in bringing forth beliefs that are empowering. I trust and know that you'll enjoy this process immensely. Start today. How about I offer you another example to give you additional clarity? When you have a belief of a certain outcome, when you take a certain action, you are creating that outcome. Change your reactions. Be aware and see how you react when you're having a conversation with someone. For sometimes these reactions are very much an ingrained program. Let me share another example. When you say there's not enough time, or I never have enough time, you are creating more of that. You may wish to change it up and have an affirmation that says, I am creating additional time to accomplish this, this, and this. Or I have enough time to accomplish all on my list today. For you have the ability to stretch time. Every time a small change is accomplished, you are lessening the grip. As you transmute obsolete beliefs, you will find the freedom you so desire and deserve. You got this, my beloveds. And remember that you are supported by millions in the unseen. I surround you now with my love and enfold you in the violet flame. And thank you for your participation in this game. Farewell, my beloveds.